Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi. Stay safe, learn Excel on the Fred Excel channel. Today we are going to look at how to use the frequency function in Excel. So here we have our monthly sales. That's 25 by different retailers, and we have set an interval or group them into five groups of 500. So we have 500, 1,000, and in doing that, first we find the maximum within this range. That's for the monthly sales. What is the maximum sales? That's 4,831. Then we find the minimum. Within that same range, we close the parentheses, and that's 154. So in using the frequency function, we simply type equal to frequency. It will pop up. We select it. Note that the frequency is an array function, so we select the monthly sales. We block it using the F4. Comma, we select the interval or where we have the bin arrays, that's the ranges. We use the F4 to block it. Then we close our parentheses. Since it's an array function, you can use the Shift Control Enter to solve for that. But we should have selected the whole range first. So I'll select it and go to Edit Mode or the formula bar, and now use the Shift Control Enter to complete for all. What it means is that within the range, so let's call this one the bins. So the range between a 0 to 500 will have a count of only 1. We record the sales between that range, only 1. And between 501 to 1,000, we recorded 4. So it will move on like that. I'll just pause for me to really complete this fast. So that will be for the bins or for the interval. Simply, you can really plot this for it to be visually appreciated. So we go to Insert, or you can just insert our simple graph. Column graph, so you can see what it means is that for the range, so this is our graph, but we'll change the title horizontal bar. So we'll go to select data, and then here we'll edit, and now select the axis label for the bins and click on OK. So you'll see that at least we have for the graph here the range. What it means is that between 0 to 500 we have one person recording the sales between that range. Within 500 to 1,000 we have 3 people, and the maximum of those recorded where most of the sales are recorded is 1,000 to 1,500, and also because that one recorded 4, and also 3,000 to 3,500. This is how smart you can really use the frequency formula in Excel to really put up a nice chart like this. If you really want to verify that what we did was being right, you can just select the range, use conditional formatting, say highlight rows between a 0 to 500. So you see that what is selected is only 1 highlighted, and it matches with the count, which is also 1. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on this channel, Fred Excel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.